Yo, what's up, everybody? It is September 19th, 3:11 p.m., and currently I'm in the car waiting on Dilt to go to the gym. Yes, Dilt is actually coming to the gym today, but yeah, I'm in the car. You see, got the whole mess from working the JOB today. But today I did take a trade, and today we made, I believe it was almost 1,800, like 1,700 something dollars across, well, 1,893. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm stuttering. $893 across two accounts, which is like 17 something. I'll do the math on it in the title, but we were done very early today. We took an excellent trade. This trade right here was coming off of a 15-minute gap. We tapped into this 15-minute gap marked out right here. It's also a 5. It's respected the lower 5. Never inverse these. Well, did we inverse it? Yeah, we inversed it to the tick, but it's all good because we inversed it back to the upside. But yeah, it was a 15-minute. We had an SMT at these lows with ES. Let me see if I can pull up ES real quick for you. Yes. Working off the hotspot right now, my bad. But yeah, here's the SMT with ES. I was charting on regular NQ, but yeah, 15-minute tap, which was right here. So we tagged into this 15-minute gap, respected it with a 5-minute inverse out, holding that SMT, and obviously coming into the day I'm bullish. We're by all-time highs. So I enter that with 9 cons. It was about $400 something risk. And this trade, where was my exact entry? So 765. Market ordered. Let me try to get the exact entry so we can see the exact RR. 7650. So it was 1.75 RR today. 49.5 points. To the tick exactly. Like to the exact tick. Yeah, this is a trade I'm taking 10 out of 10 times. This is excellent continuation model. So here's me doing a voiceover of how the TikTok recording thing that I had for it. But yeah, as you see, price spiked up. I'm break even now. Went break even at that black line. It's just continuous to be bullish. And around on now when we hit right, bang, tag me out right at the top. But yeah, across those two accounts, and I did this at the job, the JOB. We have everything that I'm looking for essentially for a continuation model, especially it being a higher time frame gap such as the 5-minute. It gives me a lot of extra confidence that, you know, this was definitely going to deliver. At first, though, I will say, was very scary. As you can see, we sat in a good amount of drawdown. Look at all this. This is probably like $200-$300 in drawdown. And then immediately reversed, candle flipped bullish, and we delivered in under 10 minutes. So before 10 a.m., my day was done. And this is just an excellent trade. A great way to close out a rough week. I didn't take this on my actual funded. This week overall has been a little bit rough up here mentally. So I kind of said, like, coming into the day, I'm like, all right, I'm just going to take a break on the funded, trade the evals today if anything presents itself, but just break on the funded. The funded does need some work to come back and actually build the account. But still, nonetheless, I'm still working towards my goal through taking this trade on the eval, and I'm still working towards passing these evals. I wanted 3 to 5 funded accounts by the end of the year. With 2 or 3 more trades, 3 to 4 more trades, I can have 3 funded accounts. This one needs probably 2 trades, and this one would need 3 trades. We're almost back to break even on this trade, but yeah, as far as the whole week goes, yesterday was a rough L, shorting by all-time highs, and I definitely did learn my lesson. Even though yesterday's mechanical model was still not bad, it was an okay eval play, and last week's trade wasn't too bad for an eval play. But yeah, it's been a rough last couple trading days. Mentally was almost catching myself about to check out, but put that right in line and we checked back in. I'm really happy that, you know, I was able to catch something and end the week off fine, end the week up positive. But yeah, I don't really know what more to say. I wanted to get more comfortable on funded. Didn't really see nothing present itself, but I do like the fact that I kind of knew what was a good and what wasn't, like what was good and what was a bad trade to save myself on the funded. And what's it called? This is actually a really good trade. I'm not mad I didn't take it on my funded because I said like rough week and I just wanted to take a calm approach to end the week. So this is a trade that normally I would take on a funded account. This is an excellent trade, A-rated trade for me. And yeah, coming into next week, I definitely want to see the market continue to clear up such as this. The last 2 days have been some pretty solid price action, I can't lie. We've had some decent delivery from price. And yeah, I mean, the mech model yesterday was a little bit frustrating, but other than that, price has been delivering, rebalancing, hitting liquidity pools, things like that. So it's nice to see price finally clear up. I just got to remain disciplined. Next week, I still want to keep that same goal of being comfortable on a funded account. I want to also try to get at least this account to 5,200 to 5,200, and the other account to 5,100. So let's try to hit a nice trade. Let's try to be net positive 1,000 on evals next week, and let's continue to stay disciplined. Let's continue to stay in the right mindset. Let's not, like, I don't want to continue to fall behind in a mindset approach, kind of like I almost caught myself doing this week, where like a bunch of things around me weren't doing right, and then I kind of felt my trading being affected by that. I want to learn to eliminate that. It's these little psychological humps that I'm still working on and I'm fine-tuning to really allow for everything to click. Yeah, those will probably be my main goals next week. Those two are my main goals next week. I want to remain disciplined, and I just want to continue to show up every day and continue to better myself every single day. And this is all going to play out soon. I need to remain with that confident mindset so that it actually can play out. Because if I lose that mindset, I ain't going nowhere with this shit. But yeah, man, that's about all I really got for you guys today. Let me throw in the clip. I'm going to throw in the clip somewhere of the trade because I did record it and post it on TikTok. So, like, somewhere. I'll throw it in earlier from what I was saying. But, yeah, till Monday, not a bad week. Ended up net positive, thankfully. A little bit of rough patch psychologically. And, yeah, man, it's good to see these things, though, at least. It's pretty good to be able to see these things so that I know what it is exactly that I have to work on. But I've been chatting now for a little while, and I'm going to end up having to catch you tomorrow. I'm still waiting on Dilt to come to the gym. I don't see him anywhere. Yeah, Dilt's coming to the gym, Nick. Can you believe that, bro? When I look back on this, like, in a little while, like in a year or two, I'm going to be like, damn, like, Dilt really came to the gym today. Shout out Diggum, bro. But till Monday, have a great weekend. Everybody that is watching this, or future Nick, whoever's watching this in general, continue to strive towards your goals. Continue to work towards your goals. Love your journey. Love yourself. Love your path. And stay positive. Continue to stay positive. You'll make it. Whatever you put your mind to, you'll be able to do it. And yeah, catch you on Monday. Sayonara. Peace out.